Today, we're comparing two popular digital whiteboard tools, Miro and Confluence Whiteboard. Both platforms are well known for their collaboration features, but they have unique strengths and weaknesses. We'll be looking at 9 key areas: features, pricing, user experience, integrations, performance, security, support, scalability, and ideal users. Let's dive in. Miro offers a comprehensive set of features including unlimited boards, templates, screen sharing, and voting. It also supports video chat within the platform. On the other hand, Confluence Whiteboard is simpler with basic drawing and annotation tools. However, it is seamlessly integrated with other Atlassian products, providing a more streamlined workflow for users already in that ecosystem. So, if you need a feature-rich platform, Miro is your go-to, but for simplicity and Atlassian integration, Confluence Whiteboard is a strong choice. In terms of pricing, Miro offers a free plan, but for more advanced features, their paid plans start at $8 per user per month. Confluence Whiteboard, on the other hand, does not have a free plan. Their pricing starts at $5 per user per month, but this includes access to all features and integrations. So, while Miro has a free plan, Confluence Whiteboard provides a more cost-effective solution for teams needing full features. Miro has a clean, intuitive user interface with easy-to-use tools and features. It also provides mobile apps for on-the-go access. Confluence Whiteboard, while functional, has a more basic and less intuitive design. It also does not offer a mobile application. For a superior user experience and mobile access, Miro takes the lead. When it comes to integrations, Miro stands out with over 50 options, including Slack, Google Drive, and Trello. Confluence Whiteboard, while it integrates seamlessly with other Atlassian products like Jira and Trello, has fewer overall integrations. If third-party integrations are crucial for your team, Miro is the clear choice. Both Miro and Confluence Whiteboard offer robust performance and security. Miro provides real-time collaboration with low latency, while Confluence Whiteboard offers similar performance within the Atlassian ecosystem. In terms of security, both platforms provide enterprise-grade security features, including data encryption and GDPR compliance. It's a tie in this category. Miro provides 24/7 customer support and has scalability options for businesses of all sizes. Confluence Whiteboard also offers solid customer support, but its scalability is more focused on teams already using Atlassian products. For broader scalability and round-the-clock support, Miro takes the edge. The winner is Miro. It shines with its comprehensive features, superior user experience, extensive integrations, and 24/7 support. It also offers a free plan and mobile apps, making it a more flexible and accessible solution. While Confluence Whiteboard excels within the Atlassian ecosystem, Miro's wider range of capabilities makes it a more versatile tool for diverse teams. Thank you for watching our comparison of Miro and Confluence Whiteboard. We hope this information helps you choose the tool that best suits your team's needs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more comparison videos. Thanks again, and see you in the next video.